can blow the candles. Blow the candles.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Happy
to you.
birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wow, it's you're 91 today. 91. You want to say hello to your children, to Steve and Dan?
I just so rarely see them that I will certainly tell them when I see them.
Yeah, they're gonna be coming here for a visit.
Sure.
Okay, happy birthday, Dan. So, we're a group of 5.
No,
There's
you're
Joy.
Joy.
Say hi, Joy.
Yeah, just
Joy.
hi.
Bernadette.
Yes.
Irma.
Hi.
And Irma, you have to... I will say hi too. Hi. Okay, so we're having a small celebration here. And we'll send you some more video.